What do you say about this, and what are the commandments of Sharia about this? Iman decrease and increase, and as we can say, the Waliullah, the saint of Allah Azza wa Jal, so their Iman is more than us, and our Iman is less.
Basically, Iman belongs to heart. Okay, as it is mentioned in the Holy Quran, Allah Azza wa Jalla said, "Ulaika kataba fi qulubihimul iman." These are the people in their hearts. Almighty Allah inscribed Iman. So, fi qulubihimul iman. Iman is in the hearts of the people. And in the other ayah, Allah Azza wa Jalla said, وَلَمَّا يَدْخُلِ الْإِيمَانُ فِي قُلُوبِكُمْ. And Iman hasn't yet entered into your heart. So basically, Iman belongs to heart. As long as the Iman is in the heart of a person, he is Mu'min. Now, the Iman of any person is more than any other person or not. So the answer of this question is that Iman increases and decreases, but in particular meaning. What is that? Allah Azza wa Jalla said in the Holy Quran, وَإِذَا تُلِيَتْ عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُهُ زَادَتْهُمْ إِيمَانًا. When the verses of the Holy Quran, when the verses of Almighty Allah are recited in front of them, their Iman increases. So in which meaning the Iman increase? In the meaning of being strong or weak. In that way Iman increases. We can say the Iman of Wali is more strong than the Iman of a sinner person. So in that way we can say Iman of Wali is stronger than the Iman of another person. But in size, that his Iman is in size or in quantity, the Iman of a person is more than the other person, we can't say that. So we can't say that Wali has two Iman and the sinner person has one Iman. It doesn't make sense. And it's not the case. The size of Iman of Wali is more than the size of Iman of a sinner person. So in that meaning, there is no difference between the Iman of a sinner person and Iman of the Wali. But in Kafiyah, being strong or being weak, in this meaning, there is a difference between the Iman of a Wali and in the Iman of a sinner person. And in that meaning, Allah Azza wa Jalla said in the Holy Quran, وَإِذَا تُلِيَتْ عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُهُ زَادَتْهُمْ إِيمَانًا. When the verses of Almighty Allah are recited in front of them, their Iman increased.